Hey guys, a very warm welcome. I'm Hina Bhimani. You guys are watching me live on your favorite Goki app, on your favorite to the Hina Bhimani Wellness Show. And today I'll be discussing about acupressure point for pain. Okay, so a very interesting session where we will be learning about a lot of acupressure point which is good for pain management. You have headache, you have toothache, you have backache, you have stomachache, you have knee ache, any kind of ache. These acupressure points are really very effective. So stay tuned, keep watching Goki, and if you have any questions for me, please feel free to ask me. A very interesting session. You are definitely going to have fun. So I see so many of you all watching me live already. 368 of you also, guys. I'm hoping that you all participate in the quiz. So good luck to each and every one of you. You all participate in the quiz and win lots and lots of points. And let us all donate these points to Uday Foundation, who is making a face mask for our frontline helpers. So guys, we are doing good karmas by participating in the quiz, by playing the quiz and donating the points. Good morning Nageshwar Rao, good morning Balbir Singh, Samdani Khan, good morning. So guys, please come back after you finish the quiz. We are going to be doing this wonderful session on acupressure point. We have Jabuna, good morning, Kiran Gaud, Rohan Kulkarni, Kaushik De, Rajesh Singh, Anil Kumar, Sarat Babu Chitkar, Mrs. Oliver, Sunita Jain. Thank you so much. So guys, all the best for the quiz. सो गाइज द क्विज इज ओवर. लेट मी नो योर स्कोर. क्या स्कोर है मुझे जरूर से बताइए. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल स्टार्ट डिस्कसिंग अबाउट टुडेज सेशन विच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑन पेन मैनेजमेंट. आई एम गोइंग टू बी टीचिंग यू सम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स विच आर गुड फॉर मैनेजिंग योर पेन. So keep watching Goki, and guys, we also have this wonderful Goki challenge happening where you have to watch a quarantine home workout challenge. That video you have to watch, with which you will get 1 point. You get 30 points, and then you stand a chance to win Goki merchandise and 3,000 Goki cash. So please participate in the challenge. We all want you all to be fit. Also guys, Goki store, okay, has a lot of sanitizers, hand gloves, and lot of grocery things. So you can order online from Goki and you will get it delivered. So guys, go and check that out. Kamlesh ji, namaste. Shakuntala Salunki, good morning. Lavkesh Gupta, good morning. So guys, I have taken this session before also, and we have discussed about how your entire body is present on your feet. आपका पूरा शरीर कैसे आपके पैरों पर है, और ये आपका शरीर आपके हाथों पर और पैरों पर, इसीलिए इसे कहते हैं सुजोग थेरेपी. ओके, विच वेयर योर एंटायर बॉडी इज ऑन योर हैंड. So Mrs. Oliver, okay, has gotten 0 points. No worries, at least you participated. Malikarjun, good morning. Nidhi Agarwal, hi. So Nageshwar ji has gotten 50. That's amazing. So guys, please share your score. Would love to hear from you all. क्या score है जानकर खुशी होगी. Okay. So keep sharing your score, and meanwhile I will discuss about this acupressure points. Now if you see here, there are different pressure points or different things. And if you see here, this is the point of brain. Okay, यहाँ पर जो है आपका brain located है. Your brain, which is very very important for your memory, for you know, if you have any stress issues, आपने ये brain का point activate कर दिया. Okay, it will really make you feel good. So this is very very good. So in case, okay, I'm going to demonstrate certain pressure points to you all. You can use a pen. This is called as a jimmy, okay, which is used for acupressure. So this is an instrument. You don't have an instrument, you can use a pen, okay, anything that is available. Okay, so this is a pen. So I'm just going to, you know, put the tip of the pen inside, and with this, you know, you can activate this point. Now when you do this, okay, now I'm showing you, that's why I'm keeping my thumb like this. You can just simply rest your hand on your leg, keep your eyes closed, and activate this point. Activate this point, and you will feel amazing. You will feel amazing. You will feel that the pain is subsiding. You feel that, you know, the blood circulation in the head increases. Okay, so this is a very very effective point for activating your you know, the head point for pain release. Migraine का headache है, you are not getting sleep also, okay, then also this is very very good. Never get past first 2 questions and always have the right answer for last 3. Okay, that's wonderful, Nitin. At least you are playing, and that's more important. Shruti Ravula 50, Ajay K 50, that's amazing. Good morning Deepak Kumar ji. Anant Krishnan Patwari, namaste. Bhupendra Vani, Nidhi Agarwal ji, hi. So guys, start doing this along with me. You can take a pen if your pen is handy, and you know, you can activate this point, which is for your headache. Okay, so ये headache का point है. Now there are other body parts also present, but see, like I said, this is for your brain. Okay, आपका brain related कुछ भी आपको है, head related, head pain है, migraine है, उसके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. Also, not only this thumb, but all your fingers. Okay, you can activate all your fingertips, which are very good for, again, same thing, headache के लिए, brain के लिए. सारे fingertips जो है वो related है आपके brain से. ये आपके brain का point activate करेंगे. नींद अगर issue है, if you cannot feel, if you cannot sleep well, then also these acupressure points will help you. Tanay Rawat is here. Good morning, Tanay. Rohan Kulkarni, that's amazing. 50 points. Okay. Now going on to the next one. Okay, now see, there are different acupressure points mentioned for different things: mental tension, sinuses, cold, energy, memory का problem है. Then over your brain is there, pituitary gland is there, and here it's mentioned in Hindi. Okay, so यहाँ पर English में लिखा है same thing. Okay, so sinuses, see, cold, memory. So all these points are there. So what I want to say is, you don't have to remember which finger is for what point. Okay, all the fingertips, okay, are good for your head issues. Okay, brain issues. Best thing is just activate your thumb. Okay, ये tip को आपने activate कर लिया. And when you're doing this, okay, if you have a headache and you're doing this, you can keep doing it for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can even do it for 5 minutes. Okay, and you don't have to press it too hard. Okay, आपको हल्के से ऐसे करके करना है. You know, like this. Now say you are out or you don't have a pen handy, you can simply use your own thumb. इस तरीके से पकड़ेंगे, thumb ऊपर रहेगा, आपकी finger नीचे रहेगी. You simply hold your thumb like this and you press it. This is how you press it. इस तरीके से आप इसे press करें. You press it and you will see how wonderful you feel. So headache के लिए बहुत ही बढ़िया acupressure point है. केम छो बीमारी बेन शुभ प्रभात अमित पवार जी हमें मजामात केम छो तबे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ट्यूनिंग इन. क्या हाल है? सो गाइज, हाउ आर यू प्लानिंग टू स्पेंड योर नेक्स्ट 18 days? ओके, वी आर लॉकडाउन टिल 13th of May, so let's make the most of it. No worries, Guna. Good morning and welcome. Okay, so now that's for your thumb. Okay, now if you go down, okay, is your neck and your thyroid gland. Okay, here is your neck and your thyroid gland. Now neck और thyroid gland जो है उसका point यहाँ पर है. So any stiffness in the neck, pain in the neck, you can just activate this point. So your left hand is for guys, okay, right hand is for females. Okay, so males have any issues, they can activate the pressure point on their left hand. Female have any issues, they can activate the pressure on the right one. So this is for your neck, this joint. Okay, neck issues or thyroid issues, just simply massage it. Okay, very effective. So this all these acupressure points that I'm saying, okay, like how you take allopathy medicines. Okay, you just don't take it once, right? Sometimes you have a headache, you take it once, you feel okay, and then you don't keep taking it. Okay, it's as simple as that. So if you have headache and you massage this point and you feel good, so you don't have to do it. But if this headache is chronic or if this neck pain is chronic, you will have to keep doing it. This is Oliver C. Here is the acupressure point. You guys can take a screenshot if you want. I have done this session many times, so you can take a screenshot of this chart. Alright. Now this is for your neck pain है, neck stiffness है. Now for neck pain, neck stiffness, okay, like I always insist that if you have any pain, any health issue, first try to understand the root cause. क्यों है headache है, क्यों है? Are you not sleeping well? Is it because of that, or is it because of too much of watching of laptop or your phone, or is it because of migraine, or is it because of lack of sleep? And there could be any reason. Or is it because you are hungry, you have acidity also can lead to headaches. So you have to find out what is the actual reason of headache. You understand the reason of headache, and then the treatment becomes easier for you. Okay, so that is very important. Understanding the actual reason why you have a particular pain. Okay, like you have neck pain. Why do you have neck pain? Is it because of your posture, because you are looking at your screen for too long? So if that is the thing, okay, then you have to try to work at the root cause, and then you do the acupressure point. Because if you don't do that, you will not get any good result. Okay, please put it one more time, Hina, for screenshots. Yes, sure. All right. Now going down, okay, there are different parts. Like over here, this is a acupressure point for your eye. ये आपकी आंखों के लिए, which is exactly between your two fingers. Okay, so this is how you can locate it. Okay, यहाँ पर है. you have any issues related with eyes, watery eyes, painful eyes, you can simply activate this point. Okay, simply activate this point. You can use a jimmy, okay, an instrument, and also massage it like this. यहाँ पर आप massage कर ले और directly put pressure like this. Okay, you don't have a jimmy, that's all right. You can use a pen, tip of the pen. I'm keeping my hand like this because I have to show you. You can rest your hand on your leg and do the same acupressure point. You don't have to keep your hand up like this. Rest your hand, keep your hand on your lap or keep it on the table and do it. Okay, so this is for your eyes. Guys, that is not the only point for your eyes. Okay, there's other point also. Now see on your thumb, like I said, this is the brain. Okay, if you see there's a slight elevation, हल्का सा whitish सा है. Okay, slight सा elevation है यहाँ पर. This is your nose. Okay, so you have your nose blocked, you have any issue with the nose, you cannot breathe properly, you just press this point. Okay, this is your nose. Now above your nose, okay, देखिए, you will see like a white, slight white spot, हल्का सा elevation है. This is your nose. Okay, just above your nose, this is your nose, just above your nose you will find your eyes. Okay, I'm going to draw it. Okay, so this is also very good for your eyes. Okay, now from here you go down, this is your mouth. Okay, ये जो face बनाते हैं ये actually there is a logic because ये पूरा आपका head जो है ये यहाँ पर है. So eyes, nose, mouth and ears are on the side. You have any issues like vertigo है, चक्कर है, yeah, you have ear pain, this is a very very effective point. You hold it, ऐसे side से hold करना है. Okay, like this and you twist. Okay, like this you hold, you twist. Okay, or you can even use your thumb. One side of the thumb is on one side and the other finger is here and you twist. I hope you're understanding the placement of your fingers. You either hold it like this, ऐसे hold करके इसको करे twist, or like this. Okay, headache है, आपके पास कुछ नहीं है, just use your thumb. Okay, now according to acupressure, you like I said, your entire body is on your hand. Now, these two are your legs. ये आपके पैर हैं और ये दो है आपके हाथ. Okay, this is the front part of your body and this is the back part of your body. So this is the front part. These two are your legs. Okay, यहाँ पर this in the front is for your urine, the passage of urine. Okay, so you have any issues with the urine, unable to pass urine, burning sensations in the urine, then you can just again use your pen and activate. Okay, you have pain in the lower part, you can just activate. That's great, Guna, thank you for the feedback. So this is for the urine issue. Okay, पूरा जो है especially urine infection. Okay, elderly people have urine infection, a lot of kids also have, a lot of females, you keep getting urine infection. Why? What is the cause of urine infection? Identify that. Are you not having sufficient water? If not, please keep big bottle, 3-liter bottle. Okay, 1 liter की 3 bottle रख लीजिए, या try to finish 3 liters of bottle every day. Water is very important. Being at home, we are all locked down, we are not stepping out, you may not feel thirsty but your body still needs water. Okay, so please keep giving water to your body so your body stays hydrated, which is very very important. Okay, so here that's the point for your urine issues. Burning sensations hai, pain hai, like that. A lot of times you cannot pass urine, you have a stone. Okay, kidney stone की वजह से भी जो अगर problem है, then this point helps. But please have water. If you're not having water and you do this, you may get result, you may not get result, temporary relief मिलेगा. इसीलिए important है that you keep having water, hydration. Okay, keep hydrating yourself, that's very important. Now if you go further down, okay, on your hand, okay, so here is the placement of your gut. यहाँ पर जो है आपके thumb से नीचे उतरेंगे, यहाँ पर is your gut. Okay, here, this is the most sensitive part of your body. Okay, so if you have any issues with your stomach pain है, gas बन रहा है, just press this point. So you can keep your hands down, use your thumb and activate this point. You can even do with your thumb. Okay, आप अपने पैरों पर ये अपना हाथ रख लीजिए. Use your pen and you can even do like this. Don't do it too hard. I'm just holding it like this. Just do it very softly. A lot of times you'll feel that you'll start releasing gas if you activate this point. You can do it right now, guys. Do it along with me, and you will see that if you have a lot of gas, by activating these points, okay, you will feel that the gas is getting released. Okay, this is for your stomach. Now, a lot of people keep complaining about knee pain. Okay, for knee pain, it's very simple. Like I said, this is your back part of the body. This is the front part of your body. These two are your leg. These two are your hands. Okay. So if you have pain in your left leg, okay, then your left hand's middle fingers, center joint will be your knee. So you activate this point. Okay. If you have pain in your right leg and your right knee, okay, you will do it on your right hand. Okay. The center joint is your knee joint. So you will activate this. You have pain in your entire leg, पूरे पैरों में दर्द है. Then you will nicely massage these two fingers. Okay, one by one. Okay, one by one. You will do it like this. Like this. You have pain in your elbow joint. Okay, left elbow joint. So this is your left hand. तो ये सेंटर का जो जॉइंट है ये आपका लेफ्ट एल्बो. दिस इज योर राइट हैंड. ओके, ये दो पैर है, ये हाथ है, तो राइट हैंड का सेंटर जॉइंट विल बी योर एल्बो. So whichever body part hurts, depending on which side of the body, you can do it on that side. If you have headache on your left side of the head, then you can activate the left hand point. Okay, right side पे है तो right hand. In general headache है, in general pain है, then all females will do it on the right hand. Okay, remember, and males will do it on the left hand. Likewise, we have acupressure point on our forehead also. Now when we go for facials and all, why do we feel good? Why do we feel nice when they massage our head? That's because there are a lot of small small acupressure points which are very good for your eyes, which are very good for your headache, which are very good for your sinuses. So around your eyebrows only, just around your eyebrows, upper or niche, if you activate the points, headache, sleep issues, migraine issues, you will definitely feel lighter. You can do this along with me. Now, how would you do it? If you have someone at home who can do it for you, you can just lie down on that person's lap, and that person can give you massage. Okay, he can activate these points. Okay, or you can do it yourself. Okay, invariably, if you have a headache, अगर हमको headache है या you feel any discomfort in your head, what you start doing is that we start putting a hand like this, and we start doing like this to our head, because that makes us feel good, right? But if we know that there are good acupressure points present over here, so when you do this, you're actually activating the acupressure point, which enhances the blood circulation. Okay, now what is the basic, if you try to understand the basic of acupressure, when you activate a particular point, like if you have neck pain and you are like I said, this is the pressure point for your neck pain, the first joint. If you have neck pain and you are activating this neck pain pressure point, the blood circulation increases over here and in your neck, and that's how you start feeling better. So this acupressure is basically for releasing the blocked energy. If there's any blockage in the energy, it will release the blocked energy, the blood circulation will enhance, and which will help you with pain management. That's how acupressure works. This is the basic of acupressure which we need to understand. Okay. And I see no questions from you all, so I hope you all are getting it. And you have any questions, you want to know about any particular pain, let me know. So I told you about your eyes. Now we'll also understand about different joints. Okay, knee joint हमने समझा, elbow joint हमने समझा, ankle. Okay, if you have pain in the ankle or heel, then you will do it on the fingertip. Okay, ये fingertip. Okay, or the first joint. Or the best thing is, like I said, जैसे आपके हाथों में पूरा बॉडी है, वैसे आपके पैरों में, your entire leg, okay, also has body parts, different body parts. See, this is your intestine, this is your kidney, okay, your liver, okay, so that's how your entire body is there on your leg also. So when you have pain in your knee, instead of doing it in your hand, if you do it on the leg, okay, which is closer to your knee, you will feel better, you will get better result. Okay, so I'm going to pick up my foot. Okay, this is my center toe. Okay, ये center big mid toe है. Okay, ये big toe, second toe, third toe. ये third toe का center. Okay, the center joint, I'm going to hold it and I'm going to massage it. That's for the knee. Okay, this is very very good for the knee pain. Center middle toe का center joint. Okay, पैर के बीच वाली उंगली का center joint. So that will be really very very good for neck pain. Most welcome Nageshwar ji. Vinod, for neck pain, this is the joint for your neck pain. Okay, ये वाला joint जो है वो neck pain के लिए है. Very very good. Also good for shoulder pain. You have shoulder pain, this point is very very good. Now back pain is very common again. Back pain बहुत लोगों को होता है. So we'll try to understand which is the acupressure point for back pain. So I'm going to use the Jimmy. Okay, this is the acupressure. This is the instrument which is used in acupressure, which is called as Jimmy. Okay, you don't have this, you can use a pen. Now this is your entire back. Here is your neck. Your neck ends over here. और ये जॉइंट, ये जो पूरा जॉइंट है इसमें पूरा आपका स्पाइन है. योर एंटायर स्पाइन इज प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर. इफ यू हैव पेन इन द लोअर बैक में पेन है तो ये थंब, ये जो जॉइंट है इसके ऊपर आप मसाज करें. ओके, एंटायर बैक इज हर्टिंग, यू कैन जस्ट रोल दिस ऑन योर बैक. सो फॉर मेल्स इट इज लेफ्ट हैंड, फॉर फीमेल्स राइट हैंड. विनोद जी, ओके, यू डोंट हैव जिमी. पेन से आप करें, आप अपना हाथ अपने थंब पर या अपने पैरों पर ऐसे इस प्रकार रख ले एंड देन यूजिंग द टिप ऑफ द पेन you massage it, you activate this point. Okay, you are activating this point. Okay, you can even do the rolling that I showed you with the Jimmy. Just roll like this. You can do it right away. A lot of times instantly you will get your result. Okay, बहुत ही instantly result मिलेगा. Okay, do this for 2 to 3 minutes and this is also very very good for the kids. बच्चों के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है. बच्चों के पेट में दर्द है, you can just do this. So this is okay, just under your thumb. ये जो पूरा पार्ट है ये आपका पूरा पेट का हिस्सा है. Okay, here is your liver. Okay, so acidity है या गैस का ट्रबल है तो लिवर का पॉइंट भी बहुत ही फायदेमंद है. This is good for releasing gas. Thank you so much, Dada. I'm Hoya. I hope that it helps you. Salute to Samdani Khan sir. कौन है ये? कौन है ये सर जी? Mallikarjun ji. So yes, you do this and now I'm going to show you how to use methi seeds for activating this point. अब जैसे कि पेन आपको एक्टिवेट करना है, ओके, पेन ज्यादा है तो इंस्टेड ऑफ प्रेसिंग इट ऑल द टाइम यू कैन एक्टिवेट दिस पॉइंट. मैं लूंगी इसके लिए मेथी सीड्स. ओके, सो दीज आर मेथी सीड्स. So methi seeds are there. Okay, now methi seeds we will use to put it on the point. जैसे कि neck pain है तो हम methi seeds यहाँ पर करेंगे. That's great. That's great. You're using a pencil. You can use a pencil too. Wonderful. So this is called as micropore tape. Okay, this tape is available at any medical store. तो आप कोई भी medical store से ले सकते हैं. इसे कहते हैं micropore tape. You will cut a small piece of micropore tape, okay, which should cover your entire neck. Okay, इतना हम cut, फिर then we'll cut it. You can use a scissor also to do this. Okay, अब इसके ऊपर जो है ये you will put it on the table. Okay, and then you'll put methi seeds जो है मैं इस पर डालूंगी. I've stuck the methi seeds. तो ये बन गई हमारी मेथी की पट्टी. Very simple, very very simple. Now this methi patti, I'm going to put it on my neck wala point. Done. Okay, press it properly. Okay, और ये पॉइंट को आप फिर ये लगाने के बाद दिन में 2 से 3 बार एक्टिवेट करें. The best thing to do is you can put this point before you go to the bed. Okay, सोने के पहले अपने रात में ये पॉइंट लगा लिया. Okay, तो ये रात भर ये पॉइंट रहेगा, इसका असर पूरी रात रहेगी. Once you use this, okay, you cannot reuse these seeds again. Okay, discard it. Take out the tape and throw it. You cannot use these seeds. Okay, इसकी energy use हो चुकी है. Okay, seeds have energy. Okay, once you use it, you cannot be reusing the seeds. Okay, so this is for the neck pain. Okay, now I'm showing you the same thing for the headache. आपको headache है तो आप किस तरीके से pressure point लगा सकते हैं. Your मेथी पट्टी, make a मेथी पट्टी. Okay, you can put several pattis. Neck pain भी है, headache भी है. You can put two pattis also at a time. Now this can be put over here. This is your head. यहाँ पर आप डाल दीजिए. And your headache का thing is done. Just put it, just try it. It's really amazing. And when you do it, you'll feel that tuck 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 happening. Okay, because the blood circulation over here increases. You'll feel like the points are beating, which is the best. Okay, means it's working. Okay, the blood circulation increases. Very very good for enhancing your memory, enhancing your improving your sleep. Headache के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. Deepak Kumar Samal, show the card. Okay, so I'm going to show you for the leg also. This is your spine. Okay, तो ये पूरा portion जो है पैरों का, ये पूरा यहाँ से जो अंगूठे के नीचे से चलते हुए यहाँ तक आ रहा है. दिस इज योर स्पाइन. ओके, सो आई हैव टू शो इट ऑन माय फुट. ओके, दिस एंटायर थिंग स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर इज माय स्पाइन. ये पूरा मेरा स्पाइन है. बैक एक है तो बैक का इशू है, स्पाइन इशू है. यू कैन डू इट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑन द हैंड ऑल्सो. सी ओवर हियर ऑल्सो दिस इज योर एंटायर स्पाइन स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हियर, देन नेक से शुरू होते हुए पूरा यहाँ तक. Okay, he's a policeman. Okay, Samdani Khan sir. Oops. Okay, that's wonderful. I'm going to watch it. I'm going to read about him. Okay, so that's all for you guys today. So we learned how to make methi patti. We learned a lot of acupressure points, a lot of other body organs which are mentioned over here, which you can look at. Okay, आप बहुत सारे organs देख सकते हैं जो अगर आपको कोई भी तकलीफ है, then you can activate those points over here. Okay. लाइक डायबिटीज के लिए है, थायराइड इशू के लिए है, हार्ट प्रॉब्लम के लिए है. ओके, लाइक यू हैव ब्लड प्रेशर अगर आपका ज्यादा है. ओके, देन इफ यू हैव ब्लड प्रेशर इशू देन यू कैन प्लेस अप यू कैन पुट मेथी सीड ओवर हियर. ब्लड प्रेशर को कंट्रोल करना है. मेथी पट्टी आप यहाँ लगाए जस्ट अंडर योर थंब, जस्ट अंडर योर थंब लाइक दिस. This very good for controlling your blood pressure. But along with this, have water. Do not eat too much of salt. Okay, 1 teaspoon of salt in a day. Switch to black salt, which is better for your body, and keep yourself active. These points you have to keep in mind for controlling your blood pressure. Don't know when we hold our toes. I don't know when we hold our toes. I remember my maternal aunt, whenever I go to visit her in childhood, every time she used to give me hot water bath. Before that, she massaged me with oil and stretch my toes. That feels so good. Yes, that feels good. So in massages, if you get it done from any traditional person, like how Amit is saying that he used to get massage from his auntie and he used to pull his toes, that feels good. So that's actually very good for energizing your body. If you massage your body, there are a lot of acupressure points which gets activated on, and if you get a foot massage done, you will feel relaxation in your entire body, not only in your foot but your entire body, because it will activate the pressure point in your entire body. So yes, toes mein jo hai head, you feel good because there are a lot of pressure points which are related to your head on your toes. Okay, so you feel wonderful. Pulling of the toe is a traditional thing which is very very good for your body. It brings a balance in the body. Okay, so tell you for diabetes. Okay, for diabetes again, you have to keep eating right. You have to keep your blood sugar in check by eating healthy, by not overeating, not overfeeding yourself, and cutting down on all refined food, cutting down on all aerated drinks, juices, having whole fruits, vegetables, having घर का खाना basically. So that is very important for diabetes. Along with that, we have this acupressure point over here. So Okay, there are lot of, like I said, ये पूरा जो है आपका stomach है. Okay, this is your stomach which can पूरा आपका gut जो digestive system है, आपने इसको activate किया. Okay, you activate this, your diabetes will come in control. Digestive issues जिनको भी है उनको blood sugar का issue हो सकता है, तो digestive issues को कम करें. Activate the point over here. ये जो पूरा stomach जो है इसे हम activate करेंगे जो, so then your diabetes can come in control. You can use a pen to do this. Okay. Okay, the ear pulling, when your mom pulls your ear, then that also is very very good for recharging your entire body. Your entire body's pressure point is there on your ear. Okay, if you see a newborn baby in mother's womb, the baby sleeps like this. Okay, so the head of the baby is this. This is the back of the baby. Okay, now this, the leg goes in, from here the hand goes in. So if you have headache, you massage your earlobe. आपने earlobe भी massage किया, you will feel amazing, right? That's great, yes. So that pulling of the fingers and pulling of the toes is a traditional thing which is very very good for energizing our body. Thank you so much, Mallikarjun. Thank you everyone for tuning in and for watching my session. I hope to see you all again at 1:30. So keep watching Goki, and I'm going to see you all today at 1:30. Take very very good care of yourself and be the boss.